Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Coronavirus craziness. Hope everyone's doing well. We're doing an unboxing today from eBay. We got some new cars in the mail. Everyone loves mail. It's like Christmas, right? We got some Mercedes-Benz lots. Let's see what that entails. Alright, box number one. Oh, here they are. Looks like they wrapped them up in paper towels. Alright, let's see what we got here. First one. Oh, look at that. How nice. They individually wrapped them in paper towels and taped them shut for me. Okay, SLK Roadster, yellow. Sweet. Oh, looky there. SLK Roadster, turquoise. Super cool. Don't have either one of those. I have a dark blue one. Speaking of dark blue, I have this one actually. It's like a blue metallic, yeah. Different wheels, I think. Yeah, look at that. Than this one. Alright, 3 SLKs in. Oh, look at that. Another yellow one. Yellow with beige interior. Different wheels than the first one, though. See the rim difference. Both from 1997. SLK. Who would have thought? Silver. Haven't seen one with graphics on it like that. That's kind of neat. And it's got the blue tinted lights and windows. What do we got left? 2 left. Another silver. Classic. With black interior. Very nice. And another yellow one. Alright, too bad these aren't real. And that's what we got on our first lot. First Mercedes eBay lot. The SLK collection. Alright, so 7 Mercedes-Benz SLK compressors. Not too shabby, considering what I paid on eBay for them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get some ideas or inspiration for our next project. I'm going to open the next box. This is our second Mercedes lot. Second box that we ordered. Also, all Mercedes. I actually bought these from the same seller. Can you tell by his packaging? Hey, I appreciate even though it's a big waste of paper towels, I appreciate the thought to keep them protected. Alright, let's see what we got here. First one on our second box. Oh, cherry red. Interesting. Mattel Inc. 1989 Malaysia. Hot Wheels. SL Roadster Mercedes. Okay. What do we got here? White with a red bumper. Very cool. Different rims. Yeah, different wheels. Oh, it's got some graphics on the side. Very 80s. Love it. Don't think I would want to do anything to this one because it's pretty awesome the way it is. Number 3. 3 for the win. Alright. Oh, red interior. Black. Gold rims. two-tone with the silver 89 Hot Wheel. Geez, these cars are just as old as I am. 30 years old. Time flies. Oh, cherry red. Nice. Beige interior. Red on red. Number 5. Chrome, super chrome. Oh, nice. Blue interior, very shiny. Chrome Mercedes. Very old looking wheels, like that's definitely older. Bright chrome. Feels like plastic, where these feel like metal. It's got a plasticky feel. Blue. Alright. Roadster Mercedes SL. With a round circular rim. Nice blue, gray two-tone. Hot Wheels stamp on the back. Another silver. Silver with black. Black interior. Black two-tone silver. I like these wheels. A little more detail on those. Alright. 2, 4, 6, 7. What color do you think will be the next Mercedes Roadster? Anyone want to take a guess? Alright, so this is a sparkly metallic black. I don't know if you can see the... Oh, it is the same paint. I thought I had a different color black. Look at that. These are twins. Oh, no, they're not twins. Look at that. Gold rim. Thought we had two identical cars, but looks like we have different wheels on these. Interesting. If you know anything about those, or when these were made, or more about me than Hot Wheels, feel free to educate me down below in the comments. Love to hear what you've got to say. Good, bad, and the ugly. We can take it here at Tiny Car Crafter. You won't hurt our feelings. Look at this, another red one. Red with chrome headlights. Same rims as this one, so this is definitely the twin. These are identical. Alright, alright. Honestly, so far, I'm still thinking this white 80s pop one's my favorite. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 left, y'all. Oh, another red. With the old 80s looking wheels. Pretty cool. We could do some fun things with these. What color is this one going to be? Any guesses? Oh, look at that. Another blue with a circular wheel. Let's see. What's... Oh, it's all blue. Okay. Our last blue one was two-tone. This one's all blue. Black interior. Another sparkly metallic black. Red interior. Set that with the other 3 of them. Too bad I don't need paper towels, because I would have plenty of used ones here from this guy. Alright. Another sparkly black with the sport rim. These remind me of the rims that you'd see on like a BMW M3 or something. But pretty cool. Lots of parts at least. We'll have plenty of spare Mercedes SL 500 parts. Okay, another black one. This must be the executive fleet. lease trade-ins here. Alright, another 1989 pearlescent black. Oh, look, the beige interior. I just noticed setting it down. It has the beige interior where the others all have the red. And last but not least, oh, green and gold for the win. Nice. Okay, this one may have taken my favorites place. Which one do you guys think is cooler? I'm almost really leaning towards the green with the gold. Those are fun decals. Definitely unique. German color flag decal. Alright, there you have it. That's our unboxing, our eBay unboxing. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay with us. So, just a quick afterthought. After unboxing 15 of these little 1990 whatever Mercedes SLs, the difference between the Hot Wheel and the Matchbox is pretty significant in detail. The Hot Wheel's sturdier and heavier, but I would say the Matchbox looks more like the model of the Mercedes than the Hot Wheel does. Granted, the one on the left is one that I already redid and restored. I should have done a video on this one. But the detail, even without me redoing it, is much greater in the metalworking of the body than on the Hot Wheel here on the right. And that's just my 2 cents. So what do you guys think? Call me crazy, but I almost like the Matchbox better.